13 cheat codes I wish I knew in my 20s. You don't need to find your passion before starting something. Just start, find success, and the passion will follow. Don't let others' achievements deter you from pursuing your dreams. Invest in yourself without hesitation. It will pay dividends for a lifetime. Forget about your own desires. Help others get what they want, and you will achieve what you desire. Prioritize staying in shape now. It will be much easier to maintain as you age. Always make a to-do list the night before. Ensure every day includes productive actions. Take long walks alone. Remember that all great thinkers are born from solitude. If your friends constantly drag you down and fail to support you, let them go. Learn to say no, especially to things that don't bring you closer to your goals. Don't go broke trying to look rich. Travel as much as possible. It will teach you a lot about other people and their cultures. True wealth is having the freedom to work on what you want, when you want, and with whom you want. Document your journey as early as possible. When you grow older, you'll enjoy looking back at old photos and videos. Learn to rest if needed, but never quit when things get tough. In conclusion, life is full of opportunities that require courage, discipline, and a willingness to grow. The tips we've covered are tools for personal development, but their true power comes from putting them into action. Remember, your success is built on daily habits and small steps forward. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, as every experience is a valuable lesson on the journey to a better version of yourself. If you're eager for more motivational insights and advice, be sure to subscribe, leave a comment, and continue your journey with us.